Imagine a universe of infinite possibilities where your deepest desires can turn into reality. Picture yourself in this boundless cosmos, an architect of your own destiny, capable of creating and shaping the world around you. This is not a fantasy, but the untapped potential within each of us, a power that lies dormant, waiting to be awakened. This power is the human mind, a marvel of nature, capable of extraordinary feats. It's a canvas where we paint our dreams, a theater where we stage our aspirations. And the brush we use, the script we follow, is visualization. It is the language that our mind comprehends, the bridge between our conscious desires and our subconscious actions. Visualization is the key that unlocks the door to our limitless potential, the compass that guides us towards our desired destination. Now, what if there was a method to tap into this power, to manifest your desires? This is where Joseph Murphy's 3 days manifestation technique comes in. Joseph Murphy, a renowned author and speaker, introduced a powerful method of visualization. This Irish-born thinker was a proponent of the New Thought movement, emphasizing the impact of the subconscious mind on our daily lives. His teachings are rooted in the belief that our thoughts and images held within our mind can manifest into reality. Joseph Murphy's visualization method is an application of this belief. It's a simple yet profound technique that involves the use of mental imagery to manifest your desires. It's not about daydreaming or wishful thinking. Instead, it's a deliberate and intentional process where you visualize your goals as already achieved, impressing these images on your subconscious mind. The subconscious mind, according to Murphy, is a fertile garden. It doesn't argue or question the seeds we plant in it. Instead, it nurtures these seeds, allowing them to grow and manifest in our physical world. When we visualize our desires, we plant these seeds in our subconscious mind. The visualization method is a key component of Murphy's teachings. The method involves 3 steps: define, visualize, and believe. First, you define your goal clearly. Then you visualize this goal as already achieved in your mind's eye. Finally, you believe in the manifestation of this goal, trusting the process and the power of your subconscious mind. The beauty of this method lies in its simplicity and universality. Anyone can practice it, regardless of their background or circumstances. It requires no special tools or skills, just a quiet space, a clear mind, and a firm belief in the power of your thoughts. However, it's important to note that while the visualization method is powerful, it's not a magic wand. It requires consistent practice, patience, and faith. It's a journey, a process of aligning your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with your desired outcomes. This method, when practiced consistently, holds the potential to transform your life in miraculous ways. Whether it's a better job, improved relationships, or an enhanced sense of well-being, the visualization method can help you manifest these desires into your reality. Let's delve into the core of this method, the 3 days manifestation technique. Picture it like planting a seed in the fertile ground of your subconscious mind. This technique is about nurturing that seed over a period of 3 days, allowing it to grow and ultimately manifest into your reality. The first day is all about defining your desire. It's essential to be clear about what you want to manifest. This could be anything from a new job, a healthy relationship, financial abundance, or a state of peace and happiness. Remember, the subconscious mind cannot distinguish between a big desire or a small one. It simply responds to the images and emotions you feed it. On the second day, it's time to visualize. Now, you might be wondering, what does visualization mean? It means creating a mental image of your desire as if it's already fulfilled. Picture it in as much vivid detail as possible. See yourself living in that new house, working at that dream job, or sharing laughter with your loved ones. Feel the emotions associated with your desire, the joy, the peace, the excitement. This is what fuels the manifestation process. But here's a crucial point to remember: visualization isn't about forcing or straining your mind. It's about gently guiding your thoughts and emotions, allowing yourself to naturally immerse in the desired state. And now, we arrive at the 3rd day. This is the day of release. After having embedded the desire into your subconscious mind through visualization, it's time to let go. Letting go doesn't mean giving up on your desire. Rather, it means trusting the process, trusting that the universe is at work, aligning the right circumstances and opportunities for your desire to manifest. And what do you do after the 3 days? You continue living your life, maintaining a positive outlook and staying open to opportunities. You may be pleasantly surprised to find coincidences and synchronicities leading you to your desired outcome. Now you might be thinking, can it really be that simple? And the answer is yes. But simple doesn't mean easy. It requires practice, patience, and faith. It's about training your mind to focus on the positive, to visualize effectively, and to trust in the process. Remember, this technique is not about manipulating the external world or others to get what you want. It's about aligning yourself internally with your desires. When your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are in harmony with your desires, the universe responds in kind. Joseph Murphy's 3 days manifestation technique is a powerful tool for personal transformation. It's about harnessing the power of your subconscious mind to create your desired reality. By mastering this technique, you'll be capable of manifesting your deepest desires into your life. The subconscious mind is a powerful ally. It can't differentiate between reality and imagination. This fascinating truth forms the basis of Joseph Murphy's visualization method. The subconscious mind, a vast reservoir of potential, responds to the thoughts we feed it, producing emotions and feelings that align with those thoughts. This is where visualization comes into play. By creating vivid, emotionally charged images in our minds, we are essentially communicating with our subconscious. We're telling it what we desire, and in response it begins to orchestrate the universe to fulfill these desires. But don't just take my word for it. There's scientific evidence to back this up. Dr. David Hamilton, a scientist who has extensively studied the mind-body connection, has shown that the brain responds similarly to physical practice and visualization. Brain scans reveal strikingly similar patterns, whether an individual is physically performing an action or merely imagining it. This is a testament to the immense power of our minds. So what does this mean for us? It means that our thoughts, feelings, and intentions can influence our genes and consequently, our health outcomes. This is not some new age philosophy, but a scientific fact supported by extensive research. It highlights the immense potential of the human mind and its capacity to shape our reality. Through continuous contemplation and visualization, we can impress upon our subconscious mind the desired state we aim to manifest. This process enhances our motivation and propels us to take action aligned with our desired outcome. What's more, our subconscious mind works tirelessly to support our beliefs, leading to circumstances that align with them. So if we believe in our success and visualize it vividly, our subconscious mind will work in our favor, creating situations that bring us closer to our goals. By understanding these principles and harnessing the power of our subconscious mind through visualization, we can tap into a wellspring of potential. We can influence our circumstances and create the life we've always desired. Understanding and harnessing this power can open doors to a life you've always desired. Now that we understand the power of visualization, let's explore how to utilize it effectively. Visualization is a powerful tool, but how can we wield it to serve our desires? The first step is to clearly define what you want. This is not about vague wishes or half-hearted wants. It's about defining your desire with laser-like precision. Let's say you want to write a best-selling novel. Visualize the book cover, the title, even the words flowing on the paper. Make it as real and as detailed as possible. Next, you need to immerse yourself in the desired state. This is where Joseph Murphy's teachings come into play. According to Murphy, the subconscious mind cannot differentiate between reality and imagination. Therefore, if you can successfully imagine yourself in the state of having achieved your goal, your subconscious mind will work to align your reality with this vision. Imagine the joy of holding your best-selling novel in your hands, the pride of seeing your name on the cover, the excitement of reading glowing reviews. Feel these emotions as intensely as you can. This is the power of effective visualization. But let's be honest, visualization is not a one-time act. It's a process, a practice, a discipline. It requires consistency and repetition. The more you visualize, the more you impress your subconscious mind, and the more it will work to create favorable circumstances for you. Murphy suggests that repetition is key in making your visualizations a reality. Another essential aspect of effective visualization is belief. You must believe in the possibility of your desire. If you harbor doubts or disbelief, your visualization efforts might be in vain. Remember, the subconscious mind is a powerful ally, but it needs clear, positive instructions to work its magic. Now here's an interesting fact. Did you know that visualization can even influence your genes and health? Dr. David Hamilton's research shows that our thoughts, feelings, and intentions can affect our genes, influencing our health outcomes. This means that visualization is not just a tool for achieving desires, but also a means to improve our health and well-being. So, how can we sustain motivation during this process? One effective technique is to focus on a word or affirmation expressing your desired outcome. For instance, if you're visualizing writing a best-selling novel, your affirmation could be, "I am a successful author." Repeat this affirmation during your visualization sessions, and let it fuel your motivation. Remember, visualization is more than just a mental exercise, it's an act of creation. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires. It's about harnessing the power of your subconscious mind to create a reality that reflects your deepest desires. With these techniques, you are equipped to manifest your desires quickly and effectively. The impact of practicing the 3 days manifestation technique using Joseph Murphy's visualization method can be life-changing. And we're not just saying it. There are numerous accounts of individuals who've transformed their lives by simply harnessing the power of their mind. Take for instance the story of a young entrepreneur. He visualized owning a successful business, and within 3 days, he met a potential investor who believed in his idea. Fast forward a few months, he was running his dream business all thanks to his visualization practice. Or consider the tale of a woman battling health issues. She visualized herself as healthy and vibrant, and in 3 days, she started seeing improvements. Her doctors were astounded, but she knew the secret: the power of visualization. Now, these stories aren't anomalies. Dr. David Hamilton's research substantiates the transformative potential of visualization. His studies reveal that the brain responds similarly to physical practice and imagined scenarios. The subconscious mind, unable to distinguish between reality and imagination, aligns circumstances with deeply imagined scenes. So, when you vividly visualize your desires, your brain believes they're already your reality. This belief triggers emotions and feelings that attract the very circumstances you've imagined. It's like you're casting a spell, and the universe conspires to manifest your desires. But remember, the key to successful visualization lies in repetition and emotional engagement. You need to immerse yourself in the state of having achieved your desired goal, and doing this for 3 consecutive days, as Joseph Murphy suggests, impresses your subconscious mind, leading to favorable circumstances. In essence, visualization is a powerful tool that trains your mind to manifest your desires effectively. It's like a secret superpower, enabling you to shape your reality as per your dreams. So, whether you desire success, health, wealth, or love, the 3 days manifestation technique can help you attain it. With these tools at your disposal, you hold the power to shape your reality. Now it's your turn to put these into practice and witness the magic unfold. This journey of manifestation is filled with limitless potential and incredible opportunities. Imagine just 3 days standing between you and your deepest desires. That's the power of Joseph Murphy's visualization method. It's not magic, it's the science of harnessing the mind's potential. Now let's talk about action. While understanding the theory is important, nothing happens until you put it into practice. So, how about embarking on your own 3-day manifestation journey? It's a simple yet profound exercise of the mind, a leap of faith into the realm of infinite possibilities. First, identify your desire. Be clear, specific, and positive about it. Then visualize it. Imagine the scenario where your desire is already fulfilled, and immerse yourself into that feeling. Remember, your subconscious mind doesn't differentiate between reality and imagination, so make it as vivid and real as possible. Repeat this visualization morning and night for 3 consecutive days. Feel the joy, the contentment, and the fulfillment. Let these emotions permeate your being, impressing upon your subconscious mind, and then let it go. Release your desire into the universe, trusting that it's already on its way to you. Now, it's your turn. We're curious to know about your experiences. Did you feel a shift in your energy? Did you notice any signs from the universe? How did it feel to immerse yourself in the state of your fulfilled desire? Share your thoughts, experiences, and insights. Your story might inspire someone else on their journey. Remember, consistency is key. This is not a one-off exercise, it's a practice, a lifestyle. It's about cultivating a mindset of abundance and possibility. Believe in the process, trust in the universe, and most importantly, believe in yourself. Remember, the universe is full of infinite possibilities. Start your journey today, and don't forget to share, subscribe, and check the link in our bio for more insights.